Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2011 Toyota Yaris. The taillights are easily accessible through the trunk. Though you will need a rivet popper, no extensive bulb housing removal will be necessary, as the bulbs can be easily accessed once you peel the trunk lining back. Both the interior and engine fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that are easy to remove. The latter comes provided with a small plastic fuse puller to make your electrical troubleshooting more convenient. The engine air filter can be quickly found towards the right of the engine. No tools are needed to disconnect its housing, which lifts up with ease to allow you to access the filter itself. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You must remove a portion of the wheel well lining for access to the parking light and turn signal bulbs. The lining can be sharp and grow rigid to the vehicle over time, and reaching through to the bulbs will prove to be a tight fit. Although no tools will be needed, you'll still need to remove the entire glove box as well as an additional cover to access the cabin air filter. This would have been easier to access had the manufacturers provided a small cover in the back of the glove box. You will need to remove a portion of the cowl's trim in order to access the brake fluid reservoir, and its level markers may prove rather difficult to read given its cramped location. Overall, the 2011 Toyota Yaris is a moderately easy car to maintain, but prospective owners should still be wary for some potentially difficult procedures.